guys. So I think today I'll explain you about uh, as discussed how to create a instance. Okay, how do you create an instance with the customized user data using PowerShell? Okay, you can take any language, but right now I'm going for Windows Server 2016 with customized PowerShell program, so that I will go and select a plain image, but it converts into customizable programming or a software. Okay, so to that, let's go and launch an EC2 instance. So I go and click on EC2 instance. I'm selecting Windows Server 2016. So when you go back here, select this particular image. Okay, I want to select a system. So I go and select instance type, which is basically one CPU core and 1 GB, 2 GB of RAM. Uh, Next, it's asking for number of instances. I want to go and create one. What is a VPC? So I am selecting the default VPC. Subnet, I'm selecting, okay, A. I don't want to do any changes here currently, but let's go and discuss about the user data, what I'm going to paste it here. So the user data, if you can closely observe the close user data, this is a sample PowerShell program. What it will do, it will go and create a folder called as Kumar. In that one, it will go and install the CLI as well as the Python. It will download the CLI automatically, download the Python automatically, and install Python automatically with the silent command. Okay, all this basic programming required for running and user data, I've added it. Be careful, when you run a PowerShell program, it has to start like this and end basically your PowerShell. Okay, this is a syntax for your PowerShell. So I also pasted my program into my GitHub. So I can take this one during the launch. I just want to paste it here. So I pasted the customized user data. Make sure this user data is not exceeding 16 KB limit. So I'm ready with my script right now. Launch storage. Let the storage will be 30 GB EBS volume. Tag name, just go and provide a tag name. Name is equal to, just take an example, user data. Click on security group. Make sure I want to connect to the database and confirm. I want to connect to the server and confirm whether all the installation is done. So I am making 3389 port number anywhere. This is not the correct way of providing. You should make sure you have to have a certain customizable IP address of your company or my IP address. Right now I'm selecting anywhere for the demo purpose. Click on next. So if you can go back, let's analyze what we are selecting. I have selected a plain Windows Server 2016. Nothing is there, but automatically based on the program I have written in the user data, it converts, installs the customized software on fly. Basically, okay, basically on the bootstrap access. Always remember, user data executes during the last step of a bootstrap process. I click on launch. It is asking for a key pair. I'm using an existing key pair, one of the things. I select the key pair and I launch it. Okay, now my server is getting created. So let's take an example. Server is getting created. So it will take 5 minutes of time, but I've already launched another system before providing a demo. Let's log into that system and check it out how the program got executed. Select the particular system. I want to connect to the system, provide the key pair, provide a key pair like basic whatever the key pair you have. Okay, this is my password. Download your RDP file and log into your Windows systems first. This is popping up with asking for a password because my security group is allowing 3389 port number. So that's the reason it is allowing. Otherwise, it won't allow. I log into the system. I log into my system right now. So the bootstrap process, what is meant by bootstrap? When the system is getting rebooted, the last step, my user data get executed based on, so I pasted this particular user data. So if you can see the program what I've written, the first step you will see a folder called as C Kumar. So let's log in and let's log into the system. Let's see whether it install whatever we required. Okay, so go back to C. This is the C folder. Are you able to see my customizable? Okay, customizable folder name Kumar. Based on the program what I have executed automatically. So AWS CLI got downloaded, Python got downloaded. I created a folder called as Kumar. Are you able to see a folder called as Kumar? So C folder Kumar. In that particular, it says welcome to this. So let's log in. And if you double click on this, are you able to see the same thing? Based on my requirement, I've written as user data. It is there. Let's see in the last line, I've already written a program. Go and download my Python automatically, silently. This is called as silent installation or attended installation. Let's see whether it got installed or not. I go and click on, okay, command prompt, open the command prompt, and let's see whether it is installed or not. I just go and click on, see, Python is already installed 3.8.1, the same version which we installed. So this is the way you do, what is that? User data adding, and make sure your AMI, how do you want to convert your plain image into customizable images, customizable installation of the softwares, you can achieve it. Okay. Thank you very much. Let us know you have any questions. Okay. Thank you.